Hey guys, Jim and Donley Ford in Mount Vernon. Feel like I've not done one of these videos for a long time, but we have a piece that I've not seen in 13 years here. 2023, it's an E-350. Obviously it's a box truck. I think it's about a 16 footer. Does have the 7.3 gas V8 in it. Just under 20,000 miles. Automatic, of course. Vinyl seats. Does have the bulkhead in there for the cab. So nothing from the back's gonna come up and get you. Big, huge step back here. Double doors. Plenty of room to get in and out. Like I said, I called it a bulkhead. I don't know if that's the right word, but the cutoff up there, that door can close as well. Backup camera on this thing too. If it's something you or somebody you know has interest in, let us know. We'd love to help you make it yours.